You know it's bad whenever your brake dust starts rusting. 82,000 miles, factory brakes. Rotor is definitely smoked. Today on the YouTube channel, this F250 is getting these big fancy rotors and these carbon ceramic brake pads to improve stopping power and eliminate brake dust. All right, no, but guys, for real, let's just address this really fast. I think the wheels are ruined. You know it's bad whenever your brake dust starts rusting. All right, now that that's over, guys, real quick, I know this is off topic from the brakes. Just washed the truck, and it is pretty smoky clean. So what I did, I was at Advanced getting some brake pads for the rear. I just got some regular cheapies for the rear because those shouldn't be too bad, but I got the good stuff for the front. But when I was standing at the counter checking out, they had this stuff sitting right next to the counter. Mcguire's hybrid ceramic wax. I'm like, you know what? I'll try it. You got me. Your branding, your bottle, your color. You got me, Mcguire's. Whatever. Bought it. Figured, throw it on there, see what it does. But real quick, holy smokies, does the truck look good. I mean, check this out. I could just use this as a mirror. What's up? How you doing? Yeah. So I'll keep you guys posted on what I think of that, but as of right now, like the shine that it put on this black, it definitely glazed on more of like a wax kind of deal. I've never actually applied ceramic coating, so I don't know what that's like, but what I did was I sprayed it on, then I took a wet towel, evened it out all over, and then I took a dry microfiber and buffed it off. So yeah, pretty good. But all right, we gotta pull the brakes. All right, guys, I just went ahead and did the passenger side. I mean, I'm sure this isn't like an install video. If you guys don't know how to put on brakes and rotors, then... All right, so check this out. Powerstop rotors are in. They are labeled front and rear, or not front and rear, passenger and driver side. Has to do with the slots in the holes. The one thing I did find out is you want to make sure that your brake pistons and your caliper are all the way back in the caliper, because there's these little tabs on the brake pad that the brake pistons have to get over. So if they're not all the way back, you'll hit that little tab and you'll be like, what the heck am I hung up on, man? But anyways, check these out. So this is passenger side. This isn't even the bad side. This is the not so bad side. Yeah, I think that we were due. So let's check the mileage. 82,874 miles. Now that is factory brakes, never touched them. And like 75,000 of those miles was towing and hauling commercially with like 17,000 behind the truck. That's pretty good Ford, That's some good mileage on factory brakes. Now, I didn't go with the Ford ones again because I didn't want to deal with the dust on the wheels, but I'm sure the dust was only from the end when we were grinding into the backing of the pad, so I'm going to do the driver's side. All right, guys, I just checked the back. The back are good. Well, there's like a quarter left, so we're going to leave this for now. But check this out. Okay, so this is the driver's side. This was the side that was like making the noise. Way worse than the passenger side. So there you go. 82,000 miles, factory brakes. Rotor is definitely smoked. But let's take a look at the power stops on here. These puppies are on. I wiped them down. I don't know if you needed to do that or not. I didn't even realize that they came with directions. But so we're on. Now I guess there's a break-in procedure for these things. So we got to go do that now. But now I'm going to struggle bust these heavy wheels back on. Oh yeah, the driver's side wheel, which was the worst one. This is the driver's side. So this is where I got it to with just the wash. I didn't go over it yet. Obviously I got to polish it and everything, but it's can you hear that? I have the microphone turned around on the camera. They're not ruined, but they're not great. So definitely I'm going to have to sand, probably like do like a 400, 600, then like a cut and buff on these things. So that will be a cool learning process because I actually never done it. We got some serious crud still up in there, but you know, this is the condition, and this is just, honestly, it's just lack of maintenance on my part. I was running the brakes, as you've seen. I was going halfway through the backing plate on the pad, and this is what you get. So do your maintenance. You won't have stuff like this happen. All right, guys, let's have a moment of silence just real quick for how clean the truck is, because it's not going to be that clean the second I pull out of here. But here's what we got. Powerstop is on. You can see back there we are live with the Powerstop brakes. This is the Z36 kit. This is the ceramic fiber, carbon fiber ceramic thermal scorched. Whoa, sounds fancy. Premium hardware included. All right, guys, we're on our first cruise with the brakes. I'm trying not to hit the brakes because we need to get a good stretch going. I think we got to do 5 super aggressive slowdowns from like 40 to 10, like aggressively, like right in a row. They're pretty like serious on how crucial the procedure is, so I'm sure that I don't want to mess that up. All right, guys, we're going action cam. There's a pretty long stretch of road right here, so we're gonna try to do it, but the only problem is like people coming behind, and there's a guy back there already. So all right, guys, we're like pretty much at our probably best option, so we're gonna wing it. We're gonna get up to 40, go down to 10. See what we got. All right, so we're at 40. Aggressive, 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 aggressive. All right, so there's 10. Up to 40. Aggressive. All right, so after steps 1 and 2, step 3 is drive around for as long as possible without excessively using the brakes. We're gonna drive for a minute, cool these suckers down, and we will come back at you here in a second. How clean is the truck still? Not that clean. Look, mud, literally mud. But all right, guys, thank you for tuning in with me today. We did the brake upgrade on the truck. Don't do what I do, do as I say. Don't wait that long to do your brakes. Don't run into the backing plate on your brake pad. That's just stupid. So now I have metal grit all down the side of the driver's side. Passenger side, no. Driver's side, yeah. So clay bar in the future. So also today we did a little wash and we tested out that Mcguire's hybrid ceramic spray stuff, which is, in my book, it's pretty cool. How you doing? How you doing? So far, so good. We'll see how it lasts. We'll see how it works. I don't know. There's definitely better on the market. They got me. It was right next to the counter. Bought it. Tried it. Like it so far. But guys, real quick, follow me on Instagram. It'll be right here. If you guys are local in the Pittsburgh area, I'm gonna try to do some like pop-up truck meets, which would be pretty cool. Like this spot here. This is a epic spot. Like, so pop-up truck meets going down in the Pittsburgh area. So follow me on Instagram. I'll post those there, like Instagram stories. Maybe I'll do like a regular post. I don't know. We'll figure it out. We'll figure that out. But all right, thanks for tuning in today. It was just a quick little video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and join the family. Let me know what you think of Powerstop brakes. Do you guys run those? I know they're very, very popular. When I was doing some brake research, those were at the top of the list. So for you guys running those out there, let me know your thoughts. Obviously, they're carbon ceramic, so they shouldn't throw dust on the wheel right there. That's the whole idea of the thing, and they're gonna perform pretty good, hopefully. But I'll let you know what I think as I run them longer. But all right, I'm starting to ramble now. As always, I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace.